Sorry I've been gone for so long. Just kind of been busy with my adulting life. But this is an older video I wanted to make. But this is the boyfriend type makeover by Ariana Grande's new song Boyfriend. I just really liked her look and her style, and people don't really make those type of videos anymore, so I thought I'd show you and kind of recreate her look and the way she did everything. So first off, get that ponytail and those bobby pins out because you're probably going to need some, but I have thick hair just to remember, so it kind of gets stuck. And as you can see, I'm struggling tangling my hair because, you know, it's always tangled. So I'm just going to start off by brushing it, and then I get the sections in the front like Ariana does in her picture, and I then section it off, and I do thick long ones because in her music video that is what she had. So then I'll just kind of take it like that, and I'm just kind of showing you guys that that is where I'm trying to make it even and make my part like kind of look in the middle like hers did. So yeah, and then just take a clip. Next, I take my fingers, my index fingers, and I go up through my hair and I just grab it. That way I let some of my hair in the bottom of the back of my hair make it look like a more longer effect. Since I did cut my hair a long time ago, my hair is not the same. It's not as long, and it's still not as long. And as you can tell, I also need to re-dye my hair and get it cut again because it's looking dead and it's looking funny. But I'm a super dirty blonde, so that's why it looks kind of bad. But I'm just kind of showing you that this is where the ponytail is going to be. And yeah, just kind of showing you that length effect. And see, this is what it kind of does. It makes your hair just look a bit longer. And I thought it was super pretty. Next, I'm just going to take a straightener because Ariana Grande's hair is a lot straightened. And it's all nice and smooth. And that's what I'm doing with mine. And also take a heat protectant spray. I use the Red Sexy Hot Hair. You know that hairspray brand? I use their heat protectant. You can probably just get it at Walmart in their hairstyle section. It's in the hairstyle area, the hair salon. Yeah, but then I'm just taking my Remington flat iron and then I'm just going through it. Next, after your hair is all straightened, it should look like this and look a little bit nicer. My hair is less frizzy, so that was great. Next, I'm taking a strand underneath and I'm just gonna wrap my hair around that ponytail so you don't see it. It also looks prettier, and Ariana's is always like that. But she had added hair extensions in the boyfriend video, so that's why it looked a lot thicker. Then just add your bobby pin, and I kind of pull it down a little bit and then trying to fix it. And as you can tell, I'm probably going to need to fix my part because it didn't look good at all. Next, I just pulled my hair back after I fixed everything, and now I'm just taking concealer. And yes, I'm using the brush, but I mean, I just didn't really care since I'm going to be throwing this concealer out. Since it's almost gone, but I'm just covering up any blemishes or any like pimples or things I have that I'm really insecure about. And then I'm just taking my concealer like that, just making it like a triangle shape under my eyes since I had really bad dark circles this morning. I don't even know why I covered that up. I don't know. But then you blend that all together. And by the way, this beauty blender is actually nice. I don't remember what brand it was because usually I used to love to use makeup brushes, but I haven't found a good foundation brush. And then you just put some on your eyelids, and that's what's going to help me set my eyeshadow that I'm going to put on. Next, I'm just adding foundation, and I'm just going to blend over that. And this is the Hard Candy. I've actually been using this for a really long time. It's really nice, and it's not too bad. It's not too oily on me or anything, and it actually blends in my skin really well, thankfully. And then you just set my face with all that powder, because I am a really oily person. And then next, just take, do your regular eyebrows, because, everyone's eyebrows are different. It's not going to look exactly like Ariana's. She's queen though with those brows, but for me, I'm just doing my daily brow. And as you can see, I am taking a dark brown powder in that Too Faced Peach palette, and it actually works really well. Because I have a gel, I also like them to look a little bit powdery and not like so wet looking. But as you can see, she had like a white, like tinted blue eyeshadow on. I couldn't really tell. So I kind of went with like a white shimmery shade and it added 2 light faded blue colors, because I felt like I kept seeing like some blue in the music video of her boyfriend music video. So as you can see, just trying to blend it all in and make it look good. I think I made it too blue, not enough white, so that's kind of a fail. But I didn't have a similar eyeshadow color. But yeah, she had thick eyeliner in this video, like winged and everything, so I just went in with my e.l.f. eyeliner and just tried to thicken it and make it look good. Next, I'm just taking some mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous, America's #1 mascara, and it is #1. Next, I took lashes, and then I added bronzer and blush and a highlighter just to make my face a little more glowy. This was the outfit I chose because I didn't have a similar one to Ariana's, but I put some long boots with it. And she also had like a tank top under, so I just threw on a tank top, and she had sunglasses in the music video, so just pop on a pair of sunglasses and you're pretty much ready to go. And then I added some lipstick, and bam, thanks for watching, guys.